welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mwikali, aka Yellow. Yes, why am I emphasizing on the yellow bit? Anyway guys, so in today's video it's going to be the kitchen organization. And guys, I just finished shooting the video. I shot the video yesterday night for the kitchen haul. Those macabinets akizo ni fries zangu za jana. I was actually tired, guys. If you were so keen on that video, I had too much psych, but I was so tired. Yeah, so after tu nilimaliza kushoot, niliziacha tu hapo venye nilichukua the photo, the thumbnail picture. I actually did nothing else. Yeah, I just left them there. So guys, I want now we remove them there, we go wash them, then we start the organization. Yeah, we see how everything is going to turn out. I'm not good in interior designing, but let's hope things will turn out well. I'm trying to figure out when I have to put on this stand. Then after that, we start the preparation. Okay, so guys, I want to start like washing these things very fast. Then the next step after that, I'll show you. So the next step, I want now to like remove the things that are inside here. Yeah, so we can start the arrangement. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, already wet. Anyway, it's okay. So let me just try to. The next step definitely was to remove these things from here. We've added more shopping, but I will add that later on once I'm done with this. Guys, I'm done with that process. As I work, that's when I'm discovering like this space might actually be small, but we will know with due time. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort what is going to go into the jars and what I'm going to remove. I'm not going to throw these things away. I will still use them. Yeah, I will actually wash them later. Azizi kosa kazi. This is little sugar. Hakuna kitu hapo. Alafu guys, about the spices, ever advise me, because I'll be putting them in those 2 spice jars. Is it okay I buy these ones, then I transfer? I might just be buying like the ones in sachet. Which one do you prefer personally? Step that I want to do, we start filling in the jars because I really need to get a bearing for this kitchen. Actually, I've not been cooking like I think for the last 1 month. Yeah, because I just think I lost track. I don't want to eat normal food, but hopefully once I make this, I'll be motivated kupika. Let's hope so. I'll just wait for the jars to dry, then after that I'll be back. So guys, they've already dried. I want to start filling in the jars. I just thought, okay, it's just basic knowledge. I won't like fill previous stuff with new ones. Unaelewa? Yeah. So let's start with the flour. Is it flour or flour? It depends with your English teacher, by the way. Mimi najua ni unga ya ugali. So let me do the filling. This Mdoke won't be staying here. Yes, I think I should put my spaghetti over here because that's what I eat mostly. Yeah, so I'll just like to have it here. And this one I'll self-raising flour, then spaghetti here. Oh, I have one extra. I can use this for macaroni or what? We'll figure out in like 1 minute. So definitely I'll get one of more of these baskets. Not actually one. I need like around 5 for putting those blue bands mini vitu za laundry. Those zingine tatu zitakosa kazi. Yeah. So these ones, should I really store them up? I feel like up is really hard for me. So I'll just store them down normally. Not like down. I'm not able to move the camera. So I'm going to, so that I don't get confused, I have to leave this one empty. This is garlic, garlic powder, mixed spices. I'll label them later. So right now I think we can get into the arrangement of the things to see how it's going to turn out. This is for salt. We're going to put pilau masala over here. I'll get the sachet one. Then we have sugar. What else do we have? So guys, before we arrange the rest, I think I can use those labels that I had. We see how it's going to turn out. I have 8 of them. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we'll start with the basic one, rice. So let me just write, then I show you. I don't like this pen, guys. It feels like a scam. Oh my god. Hi, makuchangu imekatika saa ngapi? Guys, I don't have a nail. What happened? Actually didn't notice. I don't have a nail. Na difference kakileboliwa. Right. I'm very short, hope you have it. That's rice. I think there's a difference, manzi. Guys, do you think this is an upgrade? Or you think it's still the same? Let me just show you a clear, like a clear view. I don't know why this lighting line anicheza. Let me just show you guys. So guys, this is how I have arranged them. You can see. I'll need still to work on the spice area, but the major things, ugali imewekwa juu sana. Why is it so ample like that? Why? Let me see if I can change that sticker. Nipunguze, bring it around the middle part. Oops, I hope it won't tear. Please don't tear. Please don't tear. I don't have the best handwriting ever, but as long as we can read what is supposed to be read. So guys, that is the final outcome. I'm in love with this outcome. Why lie? I'm in love with this outcome. So guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this video, and if you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment, and just stay tuned for the next one, guys. I don't know why lighting in this house decides every time to betray me. I hope this video kuna parts najua iko clear, but you've seen the outcome and I hope you like it. So till next time, peace out, guys.